Hey guys, so we all know that during the driving we should not be hearing any call like this. You have to look at the phone first and pick it up and then hear the call by after attending it. So it takes few seconds to do this, and during the driving it can be really dangerous. So if you have a good car like Tesla or something like that, newer variants, they all have LCDs and wireless Bluetooth and everything. So your phone can connect with Apple CarPlay and I think Android Auto they have built in, so your mobile automatically connects with them, and you can easily talk to them just by attending a call from the screen. But what if you live in a developing country and like I do, and in here we don't have all the cars with built-in LCDs, and even if there are LCDs, the mic quality is not that good. So if you are the person that is watching this video is among those people that does not have a good LCD screen inside it, or if LCD is there then it does not have a good mic, then I have this device for you. It is designed so that the driver can attend the calls without picking up the phone. That's its main purpose. Like it is absolutely designed for this one single purpose, which is good for all of us. So let me share this device with you. We have a Type-C cable to charge it. So it has a Type-C charging port, which is really good. A charger, I don't think it will be a good wattage charger, just enough for this one. So it is a 5-watt charger, enough to charge this device. This is a cigarette lighter port charger, by the way. We have a user manual, and let me read out the specifications for you as well. Bluetooth 5.0, 10 meters of distance, Bluetooth profiles, HFP, HSP, A2DP. So we have operating frequency 2.4 gigahertz to 2.48. Battery is 600 milliamp hour. Normal charging time is 2 hours. Continuous talk time is 10 hours, and standby time is 500 hours. Its weight is 64 grams. Up to 8 profiles, Bluetooth profiles, pairing profiles. So you can pair it with 8 different devices. This is the device. This is the clip. You will clip it like this on your visor, sun visor on top, so it will rest right here on the driver. Whenever there is a call, you can just press the button. If you look at it, the call attend button or the play pause button for the music is circular, different from these ones, so that you can easily just by the shape of it detect that this is the button that you have to press. So without looking, you can take your finger and see which one is circular. The button is in a good width and height, so the good radius of the circle of the button, so that you can easily press it. And then we have the plus, minus, or play, previous, next buttons. On this side we have a Type-C charging port and then on off button. This is the area is designed for the sound to come out. So let me turn it on, and we will pair it with our device and see.
Bluetooth connected.
That you can see its battery right here, and let me play something. The sound is like it is not designed for music, but you can still hear on it. The sound is good enough to hear calls perfectly. Good sound for that, and it has a built-in mic, a good mic that can go back as well. And they claim that it has a noise cancelling mic, so even if you are in a windy environment, it will cancel out the noise, at least they claim. I don't have someone that can call me and then not another device from which I can call and actually give you a demo of the mic. Otherwise I would have given it. I will try to see if I can replicate it and embed it inside the video before uploading it. Outside the room with me, and the mobile phone and the microphone both are inside, as you can see. So you should be able to hear the mic quality for yourself. So this is the device specifically for attending calls without picking up your phone, designed for cars that do not have built-in LCD screen with Bluetooth functionality to attend calls, or even if there is an LCD screen, then it does not have a good mic. So yeah, its number I'll leave the link to buy this one in my video description. It is an unknown brand, so its model number is SP11. So I don't know its brand name. I just found it online. It was really good, so I thought I should order it for myself and share it with you guys as well. I will leave the link to again buy this one in my video description, where you can see its specifications as well. Let me know what you think of it. Take great care of yourself. Bye.